Electronic band structure tutorial. Create a simulation, by navigating to the Job Designer page. Then, open the Workflow tab, and choose the Band Structure workflow by selecting it in the list. This workflow can be imported from the bank, if it is not already listed. After that, navigate to Compute tab, and set Compute Configuration. Here, we use one node with 4 cores. Then, set the name for the job. Here, we call it Silicon Band Structure. Next, save the job. It can then be selected and submitted to the compute queue, for execution. The status of the calculation will change from pre-submitted to submitted, and then to active. Please wait, until the job has finished running. When the job is finished, open it, to inspect the final results. The band structure dispersion plot can be found, at the bottom of the results page. This final result is in agreement with the published literature.